Looking for a sleek, modern way to organize your pantry? These 7 matching airtight containers are perfect for keeping food fresh, organized, and your kitchen looking clean and contemporary. One lid conveniently fits all containers. Pop the ring up, and it serves as a handle to lift the lid. The specially designed lid guarantees an airtight seal. Push down on the ring, and the silicone seal inside the lid will expand to seal the jar. The BPA-free plastic is lightweight and shatterproof. 4 different container sizes will fit all your needs and are designed to stack together to save space. Shazo containers are the solution to any pantry.
How to remove a sticker from any surface. Stickers are great promotional items. They're fun, inexpensive, and you can put them on almost anything. But they can be a real pain to remove. Different kinds of materials require different techniques when removing a particularly pesky sticker. And here's how it's done. Glass. Fill your kitchen sink with hot water and pour in a cup of washing soda. Submerge the glass in the sink and leave it to soak. Your sticker will slide right off. Option 2. Soak a cotton swab with rubbing alcohol, nail polish remover, or vegetable oil and press it to the sticker. Let it sit overnight. Now peel the sticker off the glass. Use a razor blade to scrape away any remaining residue. Wood. Soak a cloth in white vinegar and lay it over the sticker. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then gently peel off the sticker. Metal. Start by gently scratching off the adhesive with a credit card. Apply a small amount of WD-40 onto a cloth. Then rub until the sticker peels away. Option 2. Mix a tablespoon of coconut oil and a tablespoon of baking soda together. Apply the mixture to the remaining adhesive with your finger. Then wipe it away with a wet cloth. Plastic. Soak a cotton swab with cooking oil and saturate the sticker. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. Rinse in warm soapy water and peel that sticker off. Fabric. Rub a high-quality detergent directly onto the area. Next, wash the garment according to the tag. If there's still some residue, try using rubbing alcohol on the stain and washing again. Ceramics. Heat up white vinegar in the microwave. Then submerge your item, or dunk a cloth in the hot liquid and drape it over the item. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Finally, peel off the sticker starting with the corner. Cardboard. Dip cotton balls in rubbing alcohol and place them on the sticker. Next, insert the tip of a razor beneath the corner of the sticker. Carefully lift the corner of the sticker until it's completely removed. Here's a pro tip. Use a marker in a similar color to the cardboard to fill in any tears. And there you have it. These life hacks should make it easy to remove the toughest sticker from any surface. So, while it may seem like sticky business, you'll be a super unsticker of stubborn stickers in no time.
Hello, this is a very quick look at the OXO Good Grip pop container. This is the very tall one. This is a 2.1 litre container, but they're available in all sorts of shapes and sizes. And I really like the design of this. They're designed for storing anything that's loose and trying to keep it fresh by having a locked top. So you can see that's not easy to pull off. It has this very nicely clearly labelled button. You can take that off if you want. Pop that down, hence the name. So you can see there's a huge range of shapes and sizes. They all have the same system though, the same popping system, and there's also some care cleaning instructions included as well. So once you've got your item in, or you've got your item out that you needed, simply get the lid, push it back on and push that back down, and that's now sealed. It will keep your food nice and fresh. They're transparent, so you can easily see what's in each container. Because there are a range of rectangles and squares, they're very easy to stack on top of one another. I hope you found this short review useful. Thanks for watching.
Looking for a stylish, modern way to organize your pantry? These 12 matching airtight containers are perfect for keeping food fresh, organized, and your kitchen looking clean and contemporary. One lid conveniently fits all containers. Pop the ring up, and it serves as a handle to lift the lid. The specially designed lid guarantees an airtight seal. Push down on the ring, and the silicone seal inside the lid will expand to seal the jar. The BPA-free plastic is lightweight and shatterproof. 4 different container sizes will fit all your needs and are designed to stack together to save space. Shazo containers are the solution to any pantry.